Have you ever felt stuck in a cycle of trying diets that simply don't work? You give up your favorite meals, you follow strict rules, and yet the results just don't last. What if I told you there's a smarter way to lose weight, boost your energy, and transform your health without starving yourself or counting endless calories? That's exactly what the Smoothie Diet is all about. This program has already helped thousands of people reset their bodies, drop pounds, and feel more confident in just 21 days. Here's how it works. The Smoothie Diet is a simple step-by-step system designed by a certified health coach. It focuses on replacing a few of your daily meals with nutrient-packed, delicious smoothies. We're talking about real fruits, real vegetables, and carefully balanced ingredients that give your body everything it needs while cutting out all the junk that slows you down. And the best part? The recipes taste amazing. They're quick to make, and you don't need to be a kitchen expert to follow them. Inside the program, you'll get a full 21-day meal plan, shopping lists, and easy-to-follow guides that remove all the guesswork. Whether your goal is to shed those stubborn extra pounds, improve digestion, or simply get back to feeling like your best self, this plan is built to help you succeed. Imagine starting your morning with a smoothie that keeps you full for hours. Instead of feeling tired or craving sugar, imagine your clothes fitting better, your skin looking clearer, and your energy lasting all day long. That's the kind of transformation this program can bring. And here's the truth. This isn't just another quick fix. It's a lifestyle reset. By the end of the 21 days, you'll not only notice visible results, you'll also build healthier habits that last. Thousands of people from around the world have already experienced the difference, and now it's your turn. So, if you're ready to stop struggling and start feeling incredible, click the link below and join the Smoothie Diet today. Your healthier, fitter, and more energized life starts right now.